Hello everyone! Take a leaf and then remove the leaves of it. Use only the branches or the stem portion of it. Alternatively, put them together as such and then join them. Cut off the excess. This is what it should look like. Take a fruit as such and then make a circular shape, cut into it, remove all the fruit out of it. Then cut out 2 more circles, add it as the eyes, and then using the same fruit, add the nose and the hands out of it as well, as long as the feet. Next, starting off by take some potato and then add seeds all around it. Add eyes to the front as well as a cute little smile, and there you have it. Take an orange, draw a line at the top and then cut off the top. Remove all the fruit portion of it. Now cut off the eyes, the nose and a little mouth out of it. Then add thread through it, add a little lantern or a lamp into it, and there you have it. Trace out the shape of a leaf as such and then use different colored paints all around it and then smudge it as such. Once you remove it, this is what it should look like. Take a branch, make multiple cuts out of it and then make multiple equal shapes. Make a chair out of it and then make a little table as well. This is what it should look like. Make a handle for it as well. Next, take multiple leaves and then put one leaf over the other, tie the two together as such using the stem. Make it tight, now flatten the sides. Tear the bottom as well using markers, add different patterns to it, and there you have a butterfly. Next, take a little bottle and then take a pine cone. Peel out the portions of the pine cone and then stick it all around the bottle. Then in the center leave a little gap, add eyes, a cute little nose to it as well as ears. Next, take a carrot, take 2 sets of beans and then make it in a cross shape and stick it together using a nail. Add eyes to it. Next, take these little berries and then stick sticks through it. Add it in the shape of a little deer and then using hay, make the ears and the tail. Take multiple toothpicks and then cut it out, stick it all around. Add eyes to it. Thank you for watching.